Good morning, guys. What's up, you guys? Let's go to explore. What you can do? Oops, I felt my pencil. So today we are just assembling the wood. We are going to keep salvage the wood that we are working on, taking the nails out, see if we can salvage the wood. But right now, before I do like that, I'm going to be getting the bin set up for Canton next week. So that's going to be fun and exciting. That's what the game plan is, to get the campfire bins set up, and then I'm going to do for next week, get some cardboard, get things like that set up for next week. So I'm just grabbing some cardboard to split and do the bins, so we don't have to. Ken doesn't have to worry about it next week. Not much. He's on his own next week, but we might be coming back just 1 day or 2 days next week to just help. We haven't decided yet, but we might come back to camp again. Right now I'm just getting some wood and just relaxing. So today we will go on a adventure together after camp, but stay strong. So that's what's going on. Guys, we are taking all these nails out and salvaging the boards, you guys, for the bridge. So yeah, because these boards are pretty good still. Some they are gonna make the call, see what they need to do. So that's what's going on, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting. So we are gonna be packing the truck. We are gonna head out. So talk to you guys when we get home. We made it home, so I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys show this episode. Guys, do give it a thumbs up. Good night.